everybody! You might be wondering why I'm wearing this weird makeup, but it is because I'm going to show you how to recreate this look. I have recently seen that there's going to be a new Disney movie, and that is called Coco, and this makeup look is completely inspired by the new film. I haven't watched it yet, but I've seen the trailer. I don't think it's actually out yet, so that's why I haven't watched it. But I'm really excited to see it, and I just wanted to share my excitement with you in a video. I just really hope that nobody knocks on the door right now, because if they do, I'm going to have to answer it, and they're going to look at me with this and think, what is she doing? So, no more talking, I am going to begin and show you how to do it. So for the sake of time, I have already done my brows and my foundation, and I'm going to start with the eye makeup. First of all, I'm going to take my Revolution Matte Effect Cover and Conceal stick, and I'm literally just going to use this as a base for my eyeshadow. So just apply that to your eyelid. And then if you want to, you can just use your finger to blend that in. For the eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, and I'm going to start off using the shade Bori, just because I've never used this one before and I'm really keen to see what it's like. I'm just using my Real Techniques shader brush, and I'm going to apply this bright pink colour to my lids. Wow, look at that. That is so strong. Don't think strong is the right word, but it is just so vivid. And you really want to keep this all in a similar area, so don't start going above your crease for the time being. We will be blending it out, but I just want to keep it neat for now, because that's always a good thing to do, and then to just blend it out when you've got less product on the brush. So I'm going to start to take it up a little bit further. To blend that out further, I'm just going in with my Morphe E13 brush, and I'm just going to take that a little bit higher than my crease, just with the product that I've already got on my eyelids. Now that you've started with this, you can take it really far out now, because we are going to be putting darker colour over the lids, so you want to still make sure that there's enough just outside of the lid so that you can still see it. And keep just going backwards and forwards with blending. I'm also going to use a shader brush to take the same colour and just go on my lower lash line. Again, starting off fairly close to the lash line to begin with, and then you can sort of blend it out afterwards. Next up, I'm just going to be taking a sort of pencil brush, and I'm going in with my Zoeva Smoky palette. I'm going to be using the shade Real Light. This is just like a jet black shade, because they don't really have any of these sorts of shades in the Juvia's Place palette. And I'm just going to apply this to my lid. And this time you really do want to make sure that you're keeping it just under the crease. I'm going to cover the whole of the lid though with this colour. So I would like to reiterate, this is not the sort of look you should go out in the streets with. And I am not intending it to be that kind of look, but I just thought it would be really cool to do like a character makeup look, because I adore Disney and I feel like I should have done something makeup related with Disney. So this is my first forte into it. Now I'm taking my H&M crease blending brush and I'm just going to very gently blend that slightly into the crease. Using the same brush, I'm going to use the shade Zobo from my Juvia's Place palette, and I am literally just going to apply this to the outer corner. Next up, taking my Bourjois Kohl liner, I'm just going to line my waterline in black. Now is for the slightly arty part of the look. I'm going to go in with my NYX Vivid Bright liner, and this one is in the Vivid Fire shade. And I am going to do like just some dots around the outside of my eye, just because that's kind of like what the characters have in the film. So let's go for it. They sort of have the dots above their eyebrow. Well, they haven't got any eyebrows, but if they had eyebrows, they would do them above their eyebrows. So let's go for it. So just very small dots to begin with. I'm going to do another one here actually. I might do some underneath as well. I'm going to go in and do a bit of contour. I feel like it's going to be quite important to do a large amount of contouring. So I'm going to start off using my Rimmel sculpting palette and the contour, and I'm just using my Real Techniques powder brush for this. I think I'm going to do a bit more with the liner. I wasn't sure whether to do this or not, whether to make it like more of an inspired by Coco look, but I think that I am going to go in with the black liner, and I'm going to do a bit on my face. So first of all on my nose, this is the Maybelline Master Ink liner. So here it goes. This could ruin the whole look, but I hope that it doesn't. So I'm just going to go for it. I'm also going to take my contour one step further, and I'm going to go in with an eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with Real Light again. I'm going to take a blush brush. Now I just look like a child that works in a Victorian chimney. You can also do a bit under your chin as well if you want to. You'll probably just need to keep going over that to make sure it's smooth and blended. Okay, so that was fun. Now I'm going to go in with my Barry M Cosmic Lights highlighting palette, and I think I'm going to use this shade at the bottom here, and I'm going to take my fan brush, proudly from Primark, to apply that just literally here to the tops of my cheekbones. I'm going to put a little bit on my Cupid's bow as well. I keep going back in with the black on my cheekbones because I keep thinking that it doesn't look very blended, and so, or like very strong, so I've just gone back in with it a bit more here. Next up, I'm going to go on to mascara, so I'm using my Sumptuous Extreme Volume Mascara from Estee Lauder, and I'm just going to put that on. You might have noticed that I haven't done any sort of liner, like black liner for my eyes, but that's just because I feel like that would just detract a bit from the rest of the makeup if I did like a wing or something, so I've left that off for today. I'm also not sure whether to do lashes or not. Yep, I'm going for lashes. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, I'm using the Eyelure lashes. They're the Enchanted Mermaids Are Cool lashes. I've been using these ones quite a lot in my videos recently because I just think they're fab. Okay, so lashes are on. I think that I want to do a few more dots, so I'm going to go in with, again, this is NYX, and I'm going to go in with my NYX White Liquid Liner. This could just ruin the whole look, but I just want to go for it anyway. So I'm just going to do a few white dots. Like that. That's all I wanted to do. Maybe up here too. Okay, I'm happy now. Lastly, I'm going to do my lips, and in the picture that I'm looking at, the skeleton has a bright pink lip colour. So I'm using my Rimmel Stay Matte liquid colour, and this one is in the shade Rose and Shine. So there we have it. That is my finished makeup look, inspired by Disney's brand new film Coco. I think that's coming into cinemas soon, so I'm definitely going to be watching that because that's quite exciting. I always love a new Disney movie. And I couldn't complete the look without my guitar because I don't know if you know, but Coco is all about like music and stuff. I've watched the trailer and there's this little guy who his family don't like him enjoying music, so I don't know much about it because I haven't watched it, but he gets into music and it's just all about that. So yeah, here we go. I really do hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. It's a bit of a different one, as I said before, because it's not an everyday makeup look, as you can see, but it's just something a bit more fun that you could do for like dressing up or for costume party or something like that. So I just want to have a bit of a play around. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please also let me know if you're going to be watching the new Coco film. Comment in the comment section below. Also, I've been thinking I'm going to do another Disney character, so which Disney character would you like me to do next? It can be a Disney princess or any kind of animal or something like that. I'd be really interested to hear what you'd like to see me do. So goodbye and farewell. Thank you so much for coming to watch, and I hope to see you in my next video. Goodbye!